As a business owner, it is critical to uncover hidden R&D activities that frequently go unreported, leaving valuable tax credits unclaimed. In this video, we'll explain 7 examples that will blow your mind when it comes to R&D activity. Let's get to it. Suppliers. Working with suppliers may involve developing new materials, components, or processes to meet specific requirements. If your business is involved in activities such as experimenting with alternative materials or optimizing manufacturing processes, these activities can qualify as R&D. For example, if you're working on a new, environmentally friendly packaging material to reduce plastic waste, the development process could be eligible for R&D tax credits. Custom software development. Developing custom software solutions to improve your business operations or create innovative products can involve a significant amount of R&D. This includes designing new algorithms, optimizing data processing techniques, or creating novel user interfaces. For example, a SaaS company developing a cutting-edge AI algorithm to provide risk assessments for insurance providers can qualify for R&D tax credits. Legislative changes. Changes in legislation or regulations can force businesses to adapt their processes or products, leading to R&D activities. For example, if a new law requires lower emissions from vehicles, automotive companies may need to invest in developing new engine technologies or alternative fuels. The work carried out to comply with new legislation can qualify for R&D tax credits, providing additional cash flow to help your business adapt. Prototyping and testing. Creating prototypes and testing them to refine product designs or improve manufacturing processes is a fundamental step in R&D. Businesses that invest in designing, building, and evaluating prototypes may be eligible for R&D tax credits, even if the final product is not commercially successful. Market changes. Shifting consumer preferences or emerging trends can push companies to innovate and stay ahead of the competition. Developing new products, improving existing ones, or discovering new applications for current offerings can all qualify as R&D activities. For example, if your food manufacturing company is responding to the growing demand for plant-based protein alternatives, the development of new recipes and production processes can be considered R&D. Collaborative R&D projects. Participating in collaborative R&D projects with other companies, research institutions, or universities can unlock additional tax incentives. If your business is working on joint projects to develop new technologies, products, or processes, the R&D activities involved may qualify for tax relief. Project uncertainty. Often, project delays and overruns are seen as negative indicators, but they can signal hidden R&D activities. If your business encounters technical challenges while working on a project and needs to find new solutions or overcome uncertainties, these efforts can qualify for R&D tax credits. It's important to be aware of hidden R&D activities within your company to maximize cash flow through tax incentives and grant opportunities. Keep a close eye on your business operations, and you can uncover valuable tax-saving opportunities. At Max Tax Credits, We're committed to helping ambitious entrepreneurs like you make the most of these lucrative incentives. Don't leave cash on the table. Contact us today to learn more about how we can help your business thrive. From rising energy prices to soaring inflation, UK SMEs are grappling with a number of significant business challenges going into the next financial year. You can't control many of these factors. What you can control is how well you improve your cash flow, prepare for the unexpected, and make the right choice for your business's near-term future. This may be one of the most volatile periods in recent history, but we can help you meet your growth plans through tax incentives aimed specifically for your business. It's easy to speak with us. Click the link in the description to arrange a callback from a tax specialist in our team. We'd love to talk to you, so please reach out for complete peace of mind.